Hello friends and welcome to Superzone Tech channel. In today's video we are reviewing a smartwatch called as AMAZFIT BIP Lite. So this is a light variant of AMAZFIT BIP and this has been launched recently, and in today's video we are going to do a unboxing and we'll also see what are the features that are going to help you to realize your health and fitness goals. Speaking about AMAZFIT BIP Lite, it's a Bluetooth enabled smartwatch and it has got all the features which are core to fitness and health. Now we'll see unboxing, and this is how you unbox it. The packaging was quite neat and simple, and here you go. So it looks very premium, and the finishing of the strap or the dial itself looks really good, and most importantly it's lightweight. So that's how you remove it, and the quality of the strap is quite premium. Basically it doesn't look cheap, and it's quite flexible, and you need to remove this temporary foil which is on the dial. So yeah, so here you go. This is AMAZFIT BIP Lite. So AMAZFIT BIP Lite works on Android and iOS platforms, meaning you can pair it with your Android phone and as well as Apple phone. So AMAZFIT BIP Lite has features like heart rate monitoring, step counter, activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and there are various modes like cycling and jogging, all those things. The first thing you need to do after unboxing the smartwatch is to pair it with your smartphone, because in the smartphone you can do all those settings, and a lot of options are there for you to analyze your health and all those fitness goals. So you need to download an app called as MIFIT from your Play Store, or if you're using an MI phone you can use the MIFIT app. So this is how you search it and install the app. So I'm using MI phone, so I went to the MI store and downloading the app. You can see how I'm installing the app. Okay, the installation is in progress. So once the installation has been done, you can do a initial configuration. Okay, so in the MIFIT app you can set your fitness goals, like how many steps you want to take on a daily basis. It could be 5,000, it could be 6,000. So before that you need to pair your watch basically. So you can see the options and you need to select watch. So once you select watch, you need to pair it. Okay, so you need to select AMAZFIT BIP Lite. So it's asking to give the access for the location. Yes, so here the pairing is in progress. And make sure you hold the smartwatch close to the phone. Yes, the pairing has been completed successfully. So now we can see that I'm already operating the smartwatch. Yes, and before you start using the phone, you need to update the firmware. It's going to take some time for updating the firmware because it need to install all those latest libraries into the phone and smartwatch. You can see here that there are various settings like incoming call, set reminders, and you can see that the smartwatch has been powered on and the step counter is 0 right now because it just been switched on. And you can set these all settings in the smartwatch using the MyFit app. You can set the heart rate monitor here and find watch, and there are many settings, and once you start using the MyFit app you will know all those settings. uh, the scrolling has been is been really smooth, and I have not set the notification, but I'm going to set it soon. So as of now I have set the step counter, and I'm going to try the heart rate monitoring. So I set my initial statistics like the weight and age and everything, and now you can see that the heart rate monitoring is being switched on, and you can see that heart icon and also the reading. Yeah, and it updates every 1 minute. So there are some readings, you can see that the heart rate monitor and the step counter. So yeah, and the best thing about the screen is it's not really flashy, and the screen is not flashy, and you can see the uh, the readings in the daylight as well. So there are various settings like running, cycling, and all those settings. So that was a short review about AMAZFIT BIP Lite, and thanks for watching.